Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Viva La K, the CEO of Viva La K Luxury Hair Co, of course. Okay, and let's get into it. So right here, I'm just showing you everything that you will need to create a lace closure wig unit. So make sure you got you a 5x5 lace closure or 4x4 and a dome cap and 4 bundles. So yeah, I like to go ahead and braid down the lace closure so when it's time to stitch it up, it will not be any hairs in the way. So right here, I'm just going ahead and hand stitching the closure to the cap, and then I'm gonna go over it with my sewing machine. But that's not until later on in the video, so keep watching. Okay, so you'll need a metallic marker. I got a silver metallic marker, and I just went ahead and created as many lines as I could for the 4 bundles. I normally would do up to like 11 lines, but right here I did about 20 lines straight across. So I just made them in the middle and just go ahead and connect the lines on the other sides. Okay, and it's time to whip out your sewing machine. So you want to go ahead and make sure your tension is on 6, your length is on 4, your width is on 5, and your pattern is on Zig Zag. You need these steps in order for your wig to lay properly when it's time to put it on. Okay, so right here, I'm just going ahead and sewing up all the bundles so that it could be easier for when it's time to lay it onto the wig cap. Okay, since now it's time to add the bundles onto the wig cap, you want to go ahead and follow the lines that you had just drew with your metallic marker. And just start cutting when you reach the end of the line. And keep on going all the way up until the top of the wig unit. You want to make sure you follow the lines because it's going to keep everything in place so that when it's time to put the wig unit on, it will lay flat. Okay, so I just followed the same exact method all the way until I got to the top of the wig unit. And I'll show you guys a closer up view so you can see what I did. So right here, I'm just following the lines, moving the hair out the way as I go, and I'm keeping the same entire method. And I just make sure I back stitch so I can lock in the stitch every time that I finish the line. Okay, so now the wig unit is finished being made. All it needs is a little customization to the lace. But first, let's go ahead and cut that extra cap out so that your lace can blend evenly with your skin tone. Okay, and now it's time to go ahead and customize your lace closure wig unit. So I like to just go ahead and start plucking first, since this wig does not require much styling. So let's just go ahead and start plucking the hairline. And make sure you take your time when it comes to customizing your hairline, because you don't want to pluck holes into your lace. And just go ahead and start adding your Nairobi and some water. And this is the final outcome. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And thank y'all so much for watching. Can't wait to see y'all soon.